Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be preparing granite soup in chef style. We will need 2 bags of spinach, salt, blended onions, ginger, parsley, garlic, green onions. Make sure you blend all your ingredients as I did. We are going to be using unsalted granite, 6 blended tomatoes, and 2 bags of chicken. Our chicken is clean and we added our blended ginger, garlic, onions, and we will be adding our seasoning. I use the chicken flavor, and after that on the fire. Our next step is to prepare our granite paste using the unsalted granite. We are going to blend our granite without adding any water, just the granite. If you have to fight with your blender like us, then my sister, my brother, courage. This is how your granite paste should look like. Remember, we did not add any water, so please do not add water. You can save some if you can't use it all. Our granite is ready and our broiled chicken as well. You can broil your chicken or you can fry your chicken. Chef is adding water to the paste before cooking it to make it lighter and very smooth and also less sticky. You can use cold water or warm water, but he used cold water. If you have not been doing your meal prep, you better start now and save time and save money. Talking about money, if you want to learn more about finances, check out my finance channel, Valermar Finance. And if you are watching this and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And this is how it should look like. Oh my goodness. Oof. Chef is the real chef, guys. We are going to start frying our blended tomatoes. Yes. Let your oil be hot enough so you can see the sizzling. See sizzling or sizzling? Next, our seasoning. And we are going to cover it. We want our tomatoes to fry. So when you're going to see the oil above the tomatoes, then your tomatoes is ready. We are going to add our blended onions as well, our blended ginger, and then we are going to mix it very well. Let them get married, guys. Add your blended ginger to this marriage. In fact, add all your blended ingredients except the parsley and mix. When we are done mixing, and then we'll be bringing our parsley. Can you already tell from the look of these tomatoes and the other ingredients that this is going to be a bomb granite soup? Salt to taste. Next, we will be adding our granite paste. Oh, guys, look at the richness. Oh, Lord. Wow. We had to divide our granite because it was too much. So now we have 2 pots. More seasoning as chef is doing, guys. You need a chef in your life. You can have these with rice, plantains, potatoes, bread, fufu, cauliflower rice, cassava, anything of your choice. But this goes very well with fufu. If you don't like fufu, then maybe boiled plantains or even rice. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and check out my second channel, my finance channel, guys. Make sure you watch the videos and subscribe. Now it's time to add our spinach. He boiled the spinach for 1 or 2 minutes and drain the water before adding it here. So This is cooked spinach. And lastly, our chicken. This is the good part of cooking your meal or doing meal prep. You cook and then you can eat for a week or 2 weeks. It depends on the amount of people at home. But this is very important to do and save some time. Please leave a score in the comment section of a 10 what you give Chef. I give him a 10. You tell me, what do you give Chef just by looking at his cooking? Support this channel by subscribing, sharing, liking, and leaving comments. Chef has done it again. 10 over 10 for you, Chef. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the likes and the subscriptions. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.